Shout out to Eric Whittle 13 for the video. This was a well-needed video right here, because it shows you how fierce Mother Nature can be, how interesting Mother Nature can be, and how elegant and beautiful Mother Nature can be. And sometimes we can forget this fact, living the lives that we live, separated from Mother Nature. So this video is very sweet to me. I appreciate it. It's not often that we get to see all the different species that Mother Nature hosts. So I hope you enjoyed this video too. And don't forget, show your appreciation for Mother Nature as often and as much as you can, because you never know when your time on this planet will be up. So make sure that it's well worth every moment.